So when Vice President Dhankhar kicked off this entire debate, he referred to Article 142 of the Constitution, which he called a nuclear missile. Why exactly did he say that? What exactly is this article in the Constitution? I break that down for you in our next report. The debate over executive versus judiciary has been triggered by the conversation on Article 142. So what exactly is this article of the Constitution?
The judges who issued a mandamus virtually to the president have forgotten the power of the Constitution. Article 142 has become a nuclear missile against democratic forces.
This statement from Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar has sparked a political and legal fight after he called Article 142 a nuclear missile against democratic forces. So what is Article 142? The exact definition is as follows. Article 142 allows the Supreme Court to pass any decree or make any order as is necessary for doing complete justice in any cause or matter pending before it. Now here, the phrase complete justice is crucial. It implies that the Supreme Court can intervene in a case to ensure that no party is left without relief, even if the remedy is not explicitly covered by current existing law. This enables the court essentially to bridge any gaps in law and equity. Now, the court's power under Article 142 is discretionary. It can pass orders that are in the interest of justice. And these orders may not always align strictly with statutory provisions or existing legal precedents, as long as they aim to provide complete, full justice. This article allows the Supreme Court to go well beyond its regular jurisdiction, enabling it to get into cases where no law specifically provides a remedy. For instance, it's been used in cases to grant interim reliefs that are unconventional or to enforce rights in a manner not prescribed by any existing statutes. Interestingly, the Supreme Court has invoked Article 142 previously in several high-profile cases. For example, in the Shah Bano case, Article 142 was invoked to pass an order directing the husband to pay maintenance. In the 2019 Ram Janmabhoomi case, the Supreme Court used Article 142 to balance religious claims and deliver a settlement aimed at complete justice and communal harmony. So why is it in focus now? Because of the Supreme Court's orders on governors and the President prescribing a timeline for bills to be given assent. This was done by the top court by invoking Article 142. But particularly in that order, the Supreme Court chose to deem 10 pending bills before the Tamil Nadu governor as passed, something that normally the President only could do. So the Supreme Court managed to get this power, that's right, by using Article 142. So there's now a raging argument both for and against Article 142. Supporters see this article as a powerful tool for justice, especially when laws fall short. Critics warn of its potential misuse, calling for either stricter guidelines or amendments to define Article 142's scope better, because there doesn't exist one now.